Hi everyone, this is Solo Boys again, and of course, the star of this video is Sama. Anyway, I'm here to show you how to teach her to respond politely. I have a broccoli here. I'm going to give it her, and I will ask her, wait, Summer, wait. Ask her to answer me, not barking aggressively. So she will answer me politely by saying, for example, like that. Because barking is for her a lesson for doing mathematics, like addition. Anyway, I'll show you later on how she responds for or answering the addition. So Summer, I'm going to give you this broccoli. Now, do you like broccoli? What is the answer? Good girl. Another one? Do you like? Answer me politely. No barking. No barking. No barking. Just answer or just bow your head. Okay? That sounds. Okay. Do you like broccoli? Good girl. Another one. Another one. Do you like broccoli? Good girl. Now, let's do mathematics. Addition, okay? 1 plus 1? Good girl. 2 plus 2? Okay, again, because delay. So again, 2 plus 2? Good girl. 4. Again. 1 plus 1? Good girl. 2 plus 2? Good girl. Okay, here's your reward. Broccoli. Good girl. Yeah? You like it, eh? Look at here. Look at here. Good girl. Good girl. Good girl. All gone. Finish. Okay. So guys, if you like this video, just like, share, and please subscribe. Thank you.